Class 4 EVS. Okay, we'll start with chapter 6 now for your essay 2 syllabus now. Journey of food. What is this journey of food? Food is very important for us to stay alive. It gives us energy to perform various activities. It also helps in the growth of our body. Now, food we get from plants. Now, food we get from plants. A large portion of our food comes from plants. We get the following type of food from plants. Now, food grains. We get food grains from plants. Food grains like rice, wheat, millet, oat and corn we get from plants. They are also called cereals. Okay, next. Pulses. We get different types of pulses such as kidney beans, okay, and dry peas, black gram, all these are pulses, okay, moth beans from plant. Oil seed. Some of the oil seeds we get from plants are groundnut, mustard, sesame, sunflower. We get cooking oil from the seeds. Okay, now next is fruits and vegetables. Okay, we get variety of fruits and vegetables, okay, from plants like apple, banana, mangoes, grapes, and various vegetables like carrot, onion, tomato. We get vegetables. We eat vegetables either raw or after cooking. Now spices. Plants also give us different kind of spices add flavor to our food. Each spices has a distinct aroma, means different smell. Each spices are different type of smell. We get spices such as cardamom, cinnamon, clove, turmeric, cumin from pepper, okay, all these things from plants. Indian food is famous all over the world for the spices. The beverages, we use leaves of some plants to make drink called beverages. For example, tea is made of tea leaves and we get coffee from coffee beans. So tea and coffee are the beverages. Okay. Now, this you can do by yourself. This also you can do by yourself. Now, how food reaches us. Now, how food reaches us, okay, from field to us. Now, see. Food that we get to eat undergoes a number of process, okay, before they reach us. Firstly, the crops is grown by the farmer in the field. Now, growing crop. To grow the crop, a farmer first prepared his field. He plowed the field, sow the seeds. The farmer then add manure to the soil. He also add fertilizers to the crop. Farmer takes care of the crop. He water it regularly. The process of watering the crop regularly is known as irrigation. Okay. Now, next is spray. Now, next the farmer, what does he do? He spray insecticides. Okay. He spray insecticides, sprays and pesticide to keep them free from pests. The grown crop is then cut by the farmer. This process of cutting the grown crop is known as harvesting. The farmer separate grains from the harvested crop. This process is called threshing. Okay. Cutting crop, grown crop is harvesting, and separating the grains from harvested crop is known as threshing. From field to our plate. The collected grains are packed and sent to the wholesale market. In the wholesale market, the food item in food vegetables are brought. Such a big wholesale market is known as mundi. Okay. Now the mundi, the grocer and shopkeeper buy it from the mundi. Finally, we buy the articles from the shopkeepers. This fill in the blanks also you can do by yourself. Now next, handling food. It is very important to handle the food we eat properly. It should not let our food to get spoiled or waste. Okay. Spoilage of food. The food we eat should be always be kept fresh. Eating fresh food keeps us healthy. Spoiling and stale food means bad food which spoil can make us cause diseases. Okay. Now, next is it can cause diseases. How? Or food poisoning. We can serve the food from spoiling by three ways. How can we preserve the food from getting spoiled? Always keep the food covered. Store the food in the refrigerator. Keep dry food item in airtight container. Wastage of food. Food should not be wasted in the country like India where many people are poor. Okay. So we should afford to try to minimize the wastage of food. We should avoid the wastage of food. Now, how can we avoid? We can avoid wastage of food by the following ways. Do not put excess food on plate. Cook food according to the number of person. Give leftover food to a needy person. Store food properly so that it does not become stale or get spoiled. Okay. So this also you can do. Tick the correct answer. Tick and cross. I think we have finished the chapter. Okay. So this also you can do. I'll give you the question answer. This also you can do. So for today, this much. Thank you.